tell you about this momo, my favorite food. But before that, this is the entrance of Darjeeling Rangeet Valley Ropeway. The ticket costs around 200 rupees per head, and each ropeway cabin holds 6 people. Yeah, starting. It's so steep from here.
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूटे से बंदी है हवा, मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शाम आना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू। ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है झम से बिखर, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही।
Sitting inside the ropeway cabin, we passed over stretches of uninhabited tea gardens, and suddenly we were taken aback by seeing so many people in a particular place working together. So later we understood that they were cutting out the dead stems from the tea plants after they have plucked the leaves and the stems have become dead. So it was a lovely sight to see people on the heart of the hills. And there was so much of calm spread in that entire area. Now we are seeing that the tea garden is almost at our height, which means that we are gradually going down and our one side of the journey is coming to an end. So let's see what the halt area has in store for us. We are now heading back to the top, but after completing one side of the journey, we were taken to a flat area where there are few shops selling snacks and tea. There was also a tea shop, so we can choose to taste the tea before buying it. And there were so many varieties of tea, like there was black tea, green tea, masala tea, there was milk tea, and also different types of leaves to make those tea. And there were no fixed packet. They would customize the quantity that you would like to buy, that like they can make it 100 grams or 200 grams. After buying, we can venture into this tea garden and click pictures, videos and whatnot, and come back in the same flat area and take a cabin back to the top.
Expressions.
So these two were so afraid that the pulse in the video is actually the impression of their heartbeat. They were so fast. Okay, now see, without the pulse effect, they were so tensed that they were either holding the sides or something, and they could not pose for any picture. And yes, we are again over the tea garden. We have started ropewaying our journey back to the starting point, and in the entire journey we will be mainly crossing the tea gardens at stretches and also the hilly mountain forest like these. We will also find ropeways passing us every time, either taking the tourists down in the tea garden or bringing them up. And in places where the wild fauna of the mountain has overgrown, the leaves and stems would touch our ropeway and make funny noises. but there's nothing to worry about. So for today our ropeway journey has ended, and they would let the tourists exit in such a route that we have to pass a Darjeeling market which sells Darjeeling clothes or souvenirs and some delicious momos. So here are my two crazy friends trying to choose souvenirs for their loved ones, and in the journey we kind of craved marshmallows so much that we were buying it in every shop that was selling it. And then in the entrance we saw two ladies making momos so fast that we had to capture it. Like in the video I don't know how fast it looks, but when we were seeing it with our eyes we felt it was so fast. And it's not just the speed but the skill of the fingers to make such perfectly shaped momos at such a pace. It's really hard to capture 2 hours of fun, excitement and fear of fight in a 6 minutes video, but I've tried to capture as much as essence of the journey as possible. So now see you in next video.